Remember when we shared our lives? No panic to go viral, no algorithm whispering which photo wins the title. Just goofy snaps and pixel laughs, no filters on our smiles. I miss the days when being real was fashion all the while. They want us scrolling endlessly, chasing trends that vanish fast. I choose a slower kind of magic, one that's made to last. This ain't a race, darling, we're turtly fine in line. Your egg will hatch when it is ready, not when numbers say it's time. This ain't a race, darling, no clout to beg or find. We plan our joy and wait a bit, then watch that shell unwind. Some wait for likes, we wait for eggs to crack with little cheers. A turdy born in patient light feels better through the years. No fast feed pushing nervous hearts to prove their worth of you. We celebrate the cozy pace where hatching dreams come true. Maybe we forgot authenticity feels better than a crown. So let tomorrow bring our stories when shells decide to sound. This ain't a race, darling, likes do not define. If it takes 20 minutes or a whole day, that's just fine. This ain't a race, darling, we're slow by design. Your story's growing quietly inside that sacred time. You know, these days folks post a photo of lunch, then spend the whole meal checking if someone liked it. Wow, 63 likes in 4 minutes? Yeah, but did you actually taste the sandwich? Every app screaming, content, content, like we're racehorses or something. Nah, sweetheart, here on Turtly Fine, we don't sprint, we stroll, we sip, we hatch, because the only thing that should come out fast is instant noodles. Let those other apps keep shouting at clouds. We're too busy enjoying the sunshine. At turtle speed,